Hi guys, in this video I'm actually going to be showing you how to send up to 1000 emails per day by setting up an email marketing software for yourself. You won't be using any third party or second party email marketing software. I will show you how to set up an email marketing software for yourself, a web application email marketing software that you can use to send up to 1000 and even above 1000 emails per day. If you are interested in learning how to do this, so just stay tuned as we dive right into it.
Crane Tech World.
So right now, before we are able to send emails, thousands of emails daily, these are the things that we need to have to set up and to put in place so we can be able to send hundreds and thousands of emails daily. The first thing we need is what we call an SMTP server. Then the second is an email sender, and then the third is an hosting server. Depending on the platform you are using, because this is a cold email marketing. Cold email marketing is different from the regular email marketing that we know. Those ones require opt-in. Maybe you get your emails through people signing up for your lead magnet, and after that they sign up for your newsletter and you can start promoting stuff to them. That is a separate email marketing. Cold email marketing is different in such that you get emails, you can either buy those email or you scrape them online to um scraping tools, which I'm also going to talk about towards the end of this video, and then different other ways you can get emails. So now most of the online email marketing platform will not allow cold email. Like we have System.io, Mailchimp, Active Sender, ClickFunnel, and so on. They can even ban your account. So if you want to do cold emailing, there are some platform that allows it, like instantly.ai, then and some others. But most of those platforms are very expensive, highly expensive. The most cost effective and the cheapest platform is when you have this setup, when you create your own platform by yourself. So that's what I'm going to be teaching you. I'm going to teach you how to create your own email marketing platform by yourself, such that you can start sending emails and people can also come and register on your website to start sending emails, and you can charge them monthly or yearly for this. You can use it as much as you can. You won't have any restriction of how many emails you can send daily, or maybe you are being banned, you are the owner of your software. So very quickly, let's set up our SMTP server. So very quickly in this video, the SMTP server we'll actually be using is the Gmail free SMTP server. I discovered that using even this free Gmail SMTP server goes a long way in making all of your messages to land in the inbox. We are also going to be using an email sender called Mailwizz. So we'll be using Mailwizz, and then we'll be using I already have a shared hosting on Namecheap. So right now I'm going to go into my cPanel on Namecheap and install our email sender, which is Mailwizz. So we're going to install it right now so that we can start setting up our SMTP server and start sending our email campaigns. So right here I'm on my cPanel for my shared hosting on Namecheap. So you can use any hosting that you want. So this is one of the hosting I already have on ground on Namecheap. So I'll be using it. So the first thing we need to do is we have to create a subdomain for our email marketing script that we want to use. So I'll just come to domains here and I'll open it in a new tab. So right now, all I'll do is just come here to create a domain here. I'm going to click on it. So then I'm going to come here and create a subdomain. So then I'm going to click on submit. So now as you can see, it says you have successfully created the new subdomain. So a subdomain is just like an extension for your domain. I already have my domain, which is this. So, but because there's a website already on this domain, so I just want to have like an extension where I can put the script on. So, which is this. So after creating your subdomain, you can close it, and then all you have to do is come back to go to file manager here. So I'll just open it in a new tab. So then you have to locate the domain, the subdomain we just created. So, and as you can see, so this is the subdomain we created. So just click on it. So now all you have to do is you need to upload the zip file for the PHP script. So you just have to click on upload. So to get access to the PHP script, I have actually put a link in the description of this video below. You can get the email PHP script we are using in this video. So once you've gotten it, all you have to do is just download it, and after downloading it, so you come here to come and upload it. Just select file, then you select it. So but in my own case, I already have the script on my cPanel already. So right now, as you can see, this is the zip file here. So I'll just close this. So this is the script. It's called Mailwizz. So all I have to do is I'll delete this one. So I'll just delete this. Then I'm going to extract it. So right now I have extracted it. So these are the folders that actually came in it. So that actually came out of it. So all you have to do is we'll be using the latest folder. So when you enter into the latest folder, you actually be getting all of these files. So this is what we actually need, the install folder. So but what we can do is let's move all of these files outside of the latest folder. So to do that, I'm just going to come here and click on select all. Then I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to click on move. Then I can delete the latest in front of it. I'm going to click on move file. So when I click on up one level, it's going to take me back to so that when I click on this, I can be able to see the files outside here instead of having to go inside of the latest folder here. So I don't have to go inside it any longer to view all this file. So what we need is the install folder, which is this one. So what we need to do is just click on this install folder here, then scroll up right here, so you can copy it like this, because once you are inside of this install folder, you'll be able to get this URL. So it's very simple. Just copy the URL, open it in a new tab. Then so this is the installer page for the script. So all I have to do is just come here to where it says purchase code. So you can put any code, you can just type in any number, and it's going to go. So then your site name. So for this, you can just put any name that you want. So I'll just say mailing software. Then so you can just type in anything you want. So then you can just type in anything that you want. So that's all. Then just click on I agree here, then click on next. So right now everything is good. As you can see, it says passed. So all you have to do is just come here and click on next. It says congratulations, the file system satisfy all requirements. So all I have to do is just click on next again. So right now we're going to be setting up the database. So for the aspect of database, all you have to do is just come back to your cPanel, then you scroll down to where it says MySQL database wizard. So I'll just open it in a new tab. So now we need to create a database. So we just look for a name. So I'll just say, I can say mailing or mailing software, but I don't want it to um, mailing. So I can just put it mailing or mailing DB so as to signify that it is the database. Then I'm going to click on next step. So now all you have to do is also choose a name for your user. So you can as well use the same name that you use for your database as well for for your user, just like that, mailing DB. Then you need to set your password. So I have to do just type in your password here, then type in password here again. So once you are done with that, then click on create user. So after that, all I have to do is just come to all privileges here, then click on next step. So now we have successfully created our database and user. So all you have to do is fill in the database username. For the database username, all I have to do is just come here and copy. If you are using the same stuff for the database and the user, so you can just copy anyone for this is the user here, and this is the database here. So for the user, this is the one you are going to copy. So I'm just going to copy this for the user. Yeah, I'm going to paste it there. So for the database name, I'm going to copy this one. So I'm going to copy it, then I'm going to paste it here. Then for the password, I'm going to put my password. Then I'm going to click on start importing. As you can see, it has successfully imported. Now you have to so right now you have to input your name, last name, email and password. So the information you input here is the one that is going to be used for your admin login details and then your first user login details. So let's go on. So I can just put any name that I want. So I can just put this name like that. So right now, come to time zone here. So you have to change it to your own time zone. So for me, I'm currently in Nigeria. So I'm just going to look for Africa here. So right here is my time zone, Africa. Then just make sure this is yes. This also create first customer, such that you can also log in with these details as the user. So I'm going to be showing you that very quickly now. So I'm just going to click on create account. So right now this is the last setting in the installation process, and it is called the cron jobs. So for the cron jobs, all you have to do is go back to your cPanel here. So just scroll down and look for where we have cron jobs. So this is it right here under advanced. So just open it. So right now this is the cron job interface. So right now I already have quite a number of cron jobs on this cPanel already, but in your case you might not have any cron jobs yet. So now to set up the cron jobs for this mailing software here, so I have to do just come here and then starting from the first one, because we have 8 cron jobs that we're actually going to be setting up. So all you have to do is just copy this line, this command here, starting from this place here. So just highlight it to the number one here, just copy it. So once you've copied it, you also need to note it says campaign sender runs each minute. So it means this command here needs to be running every minute on the server. So to do that, so you have to come here to where it is common settings. So just search for, now in my hosting Namecheap shared hosting server, because I'm using a shared hosting. So in my shared hosting, the list I have is the command that runs once per 5 minutes. So I'm just going to go with the one that is closely related to it. The command is to run each minute, but the one I have listed is once per 5 minutes. So I'm just going to choose once per 5 minutes. Then I'm going to come here under command, and I'll paste the command here. Then I'm going to click on add new cron job. So now it has successfully added that. So then I'm going to repeat the same process for the remaining 7 commands. So I'm just going to copy this as well, copy it. So this one's too is going to have to run each minute. So then it means I'm going to select once per 5 minutes again for it. So I'm going to paste it here, then add new cron jobs. Then I'm going to this one once once per 2 minutes. So it means it's I'm still going to select the one of once per 5 minutes here. Then I'm going to paste the command here, and then I'm going to click on add new cron job. So now let's go to the fourth one. So I'm just going to copy it. So now this one should run once per 10 minutes. So let's see. So right now we do not have once per 10 minutes on this server. So what we still have is once per 5 minutes. So that's still the closest. So I'm just going to choose once per 5 minutes. I'll paste the command here, then I'll click on add new cron job. Then I'll come here to the next command here. So I'll just copy it. So this one should run once per 20 minutes. So we do not have once per 20 minutes here as well, but the closest is twice per hour. And the reason is because once per 20 minutes means that it's going to run 3 times per hour, and the closest we have here is twice per hour. So I'm going to choose twice per hour. So I'm just going to paste the command and then click add new cron job. So then the next one here is once per 3 minutes. So automatically we are actually going to be choosing the once per 5 minutes for it. Then paste the command, then click on add new cron job. Then so this next one is to run once each hour. So this one is going to run once per hour. So then just come here to where it says once per hour. We have that. So then I'm going to paste the command add new cron job. Then the last one, so this is going to run once per day. So I'm just going to check for the command that runs once per day. So and then we have it here, once per day. Then paste the command here, then click on add new cron job. So all of these commands are very important because those are what is going to make our software to start working. So once you are done with it, just scroll down here and click on cron jobs are installed, continue. So it says congratulations, you successfully installed Mailwizz. So now we can either log into our backend or so now the first thing we need to do is we need to remove this install folder. So let me just click on backend here so we can log in. So now to log in, you need to understand the URL. So now this is okay. Let me just close this URL. Let me delete it. So this is the URL of the software. Remember we created a subdomain. So if I should go to the URL directly like this, it will take me to the website itself, the software website, mailing software. So all I have to do is just, so once I click on login here, it is automatically going to take me to the login page for the user. So this is the login page for the user. As you can see, customer, then if I should copy this URL again and then I type in backend, so this is going to take me to the login page of the admin. So they are different if you look at the URL. So now let me log into each of those accounts so you can see their differences. So I'm just going to log in now. So as you can see, I have successfully logged in into the admin panel. So these are the guides on how to go about the settings. So once you have successfully installed the software, you can go to this guide as well. So but for now, since I already know everything I'm doing, so I'm just going to close it. So right now, as you can see, these are some of the uh, notifications we have. The ones in red are the current issues. So now as you can see, the first thing we need to do is to remove the install folder. Then after that, these are some of the cron jobs that we have set that have not started working. So if we give it some few hours now, you discover that all of this error will be gone, because once all of these cron jobs starts working, all of these errors will be gone. As you can see, this one, the one of the 1 day, 2 days, and so on. So now the first, let's remove the install folder so that this first error can be gone. So to remove that, I'm just going to go back to my file manager here. So this is the install folder. So I'm just going to click on delete, then confirm. So right now, as you can see, this is the admin dashboard. So if I should click on this now to expand, so you will see all of the settings we have on the admin. So let me go on ahead and log in here to the user. So I'm going to log in with the same details we created, like I already told you. So it's automatically created an account for the user and the admin. So as you can see, this is the user account and they are very pretty different from each other. The admin account has more features. So now the admin account is where we do all of the settings, such as the server settings, mailing, every other stuff. And the user account is where we use to send the emails, to run the campaigns, to add our email list, and so on, to create our landing page, and so on. So I think so this will be the end of the video for today, guys. So I'm actually going to be dropping the next video as a continuation part of this series of sending thousands of emails daily using this software, web software. So in the next video, I'm actually going to show you how to set up the servers using free Gmail SMTP that you can use to start sending your emails immediately. And then I'm also going to show you how to start running your campaign, how to import your list, and how to send up to 1000 emails daily using this software. So that will be all for now, guys. And also, finally, I know that all of this setup process have taken some few minutes, and it might have been so much complicated to some of you watching this video right now. If you're interested in this stuff and you don't want to go through all of the setup process yourself, you can as well hire me, and I'm going to set up everything for you from start to finish, and then I'm going to deliver to you your software that you can start using to start sending messages every day to thousands of emails. If you are interested in hiring me to help you set up this software, I've also dropped my contact link in the description below. You can reach out to me and I will help you set it up. So, and if you are interested in setting it up yourself, stay tuned for the next video. I believe it should be somewhere around this screen right now. So once you are seeing it, you should just click on it, and then we'll see in the next video where we continue this tutorial. Thank you for watching this far, guys. So if you have gained anything from this video, kindly subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell button so that you'll be notified each time I drop videos like this on this channel. Bye for now, guys.
Crane Tech World.